Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window you will scrolling down until you find this page of Hacoo app. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.